December 1st, 2025. Around the world, deep space listening posts intercept a signal, data, not words, beamed from our most advanced probe orbiting Saturn. For centuries, Saturn's rings seemed like a static, icy halo. Today, the data tells a different story. The rings are alive with activity. Scientists crowd around screens, watching as the probe reveals ripples and patterns, evidence of something hidden within the rings. Theories erupt: a ghost moon, strange physics, or something entirely new. The rings, once thought silent, are humming with a complex dance of particles and gravity. It's as if we've been watching a silent movie, and suddenly, the sound is on. This isn't just another observation. It's a discovery that could rewrite what we know about Saturn. Our robotic explorers have sent us a cosmic puzzle, and we've just found the first piece. The signal from Saturn is a call to adventure, a reminder that the universe is always more mysterious than we imagine. What's causing these disturbances? The answer could change everything. Saturn's story is just beginning, and the truth hidden in its rings promises to be unforgettable. We're on the edge of a new chapter in planetary exploration. The cosmos has spoken, and Saturn is its messenger.
Let's zoom out. Our solar system is a bustling neighborhood, with Saturn as the sixth planet from the Sun, a gas giant of breathtaking size. Saturn could swallow over 760 Earths, yet it has no solid surface, just swirling hydrogen and helium. Its golden color comes from ammonia ice, whipped by winds over 1,000 miles per hour. But Saturn's true signature is its rings, vast, bright, and complex, visible even with a small telescope. These rings stretch hundreds of thousands of miles, yet are razor thin, like a sheet of paper the size of a city. Saturn rules over more than 140 moons, from tiny rocks to Titan, which is bigger than Mercury. Each moon is unique, some ancient and cratered, others geologically active. The entire system is a gravitational ballet, moons tugging on rings, rings shaping moons. Studying Saturn means understanding a miniature solar system, a laboratory for cosmic evolution. Its rings and moons hold clues to the origins of our own world. Saturn is more than a planet, it's a window into the workings of the universe, and now it's offering up new secrets. Where did Saturn's rings come from? For years, we thought they were ancient, as old as Saturn itself, but Cassini's data tells a different story. The rings are young, maybe just 100 million years old. Imagine, when dinosaurs roamed Earth, Saturn's rings were being born. The leading theory? Catastrophe. A lost moon, let's call it Chrysalis, once orbited Saturn. Over time, gravitational tugs, especially from Titan, destabilized Chrysalis's orbit. Eventually, it spiraled inward, crossing the Roche limit, the point where Saturn's gravity tore it apart. The moon shattered, scattering trillions of icy fragments into orbit. Over millions of years, these fragments collided and flattened into the thin, bright rings we see today. Saturn's rings are not a story of gentle creation, but of destruction and rebirth. They are a shimmering memorial to a world that no longer exists. The rings' youth and brightness are clues to their violent origin. Saturn's beauty is born from cosmic chaos. Saturn's rings aren't just a few bands, they're made of thousands of ringlets grouped into larger rings. Up close, each wide band is a collection of countless icy particles, orbiting in perfect order. The rings are 99.9% water ice, making them dazzlingly bright. Particles range from dust grains to house-sized chunks, all swirling together. Despite spanning 175,000 miles, the rings are incredibly thin, less than a sheet of paper if scaled to a football field. Collisions between particles keep the rings flat and organized. If you gathered all the ring material, you'd get a moon about the size of Mimas. The rings' low mass and brightness suggest they're a recent addition to Saturn. Over time, older rings would darken or fall into the planet. What we see now is a fleeting youthful phenomenon, a cosmic spectacle in its prime. Saturn's rings are a masterpiece of physics and time. To make sense of Saturn's rings, astronomers divided them into sections, named by discovery order, not distance. The main rings are A, B, and C, the brightest and most massive. Closest to Saturn is the faint D ring, barely more than a whisper of dust. Next is the C ring, transparent enough to see stars through it. The B ring is the largest and brightest, packed so densely it's nearly opaque, and home to mysterious fleeting spokes. The Cassini division, a 3,000-mile gap, separates B from A, shaped by the moon Mimas. The A ring is bright, with two famous gaps, Enki and Keeler, kept clear by tiny moons Pan and Daphnis. Beyond A lies the F ring, a narrow braided puzzle, herded by shepherd moons Prometheus and Pandora. Further out are the faint G and vast E rings. The E ring is created by plumes from Enceladus, one of Saturn's most intriguing moons. Each ring tells a story of gravity, collisions, and moonly influence. The rings are not static, they're shaped and reshaped by the worlds around them. Saturn's rings are a living, evolving system. Saturn's rings and moons are deeply connected, and Enceladus is the star of this cosmic interplay. At first glance, Enceladus is a small, icy moon, but Cassini revealed its secret geysers blasting water vapor and ice from deep cracks at its south pole. These tiger stripes are warmer than their surroundings, spewing material into space at hundreds of miles per hour. The source? A hidden global ocean beneath the ice, kept liquid by tidal heating from Saturn's gravity. Enceladus is geologically active, a world with a subsurface sea. Its geysers feed Saturn's E-ring, making Enceladus both a shepherd and a creator. Every particle in the E-ring is a piece of Enceladus, a frozen droplet from its hidden ocean. This makes Enceladus a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. The connection between moon and ring is profound, geology shaping the cosmos in real time. Enceladus is not just a moon, it's a builder of Saturn's grandeur. Its activity links the deep interior to the vastness of space. Saturn's rings are, in part, a monument to Enceladus. Not all moons shape rings, some tell other stories. Tethys, a mid-sized icy moon, bears scars of ancient violence. Its giant Odysseus crater and the vast Ithaca Chasma Canyon hint at a dramatic past, possibly formed by a colossal impact and the freezing of its interior. Then there's Titan, Saturn's largest moon and one of the most fascinating worlds in the solar system. Titan is bigger than Mercury and shrouded in a thick, orange, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. Thanks to Cassini and the Huygens probe, we've seen beneath the haze rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and dunes of organic particles. Titan's weather cycle is based on methane, not water, rain, rivers, and lakes in a frigid alien landscape. It's a cold, dark echo of early Earth with complex organic chemistry. Titan is a natural laboratory for studying the building blocks of life. Saturn's moons are as diverse as planets, each with its own story. Together, they make Saturn a world of endless wonder. The Saturnian system is a cosmic showcase of variety and possibility. Saturn's family of moons keeps growing. For centuries, we knew only a few. Now, thanks to missions like Voyager and Cassini, we've discovered over 140. Many are tiny, irregular, and hidden within the rings. Gap moons like Pan and Daphnis, shepherds like Prometheus and Pandora. These small moons sculpt the rings, creating waves, ripples, and propeller-shaped disturbances. The rings are a living record of their movements. Even after Cassini, new moons are found with powerful telescopes, some in distant, tilted, or retrograde orbits, likely captured asteroids or comets. Each new moon adds a piece to Saturn's puzzle, revealing how the system formed and evolved. The ongoing discovery reminds us, exploration is never finished. Saturn's portrait grows richer with every observation. The solar system is still full of surprises waiting to be found. Saturn is the Moon King, and its family keeps expanding. Our journey of discovery is just beginning. December 1st, 2025, Saturn's rings still hold secrets. The latest data hints at hidden moonlets, strange electrical phenomena, and dynamic changes. The rings are a laboratory of physics, a bridge between a violent past and an active present. Material constantly rains down onto Saturn. In 100 million years, the rings may vanish. We're lucky to witness them at their peak. Moons like Enceladus and Titan raise profound questions. Could life exist in Enceladus's ocean? Could Titan's methane lakes harbor something alien? Every answer leads to new mysteries. Exploration is an endless frontier. Each discovery opens more questions. Saturn's rings are waiting, and our journey to understand them is just beginning. The cosmos rewards our curiosity with wonder, and Saturn is calling us to look closer.